Hello everyone, welcome back to another recipe. In today's recipe, we are cooking fried rice. Yes, we are cooking delicious Nigeria fried rice. This fried rice looks so good, it tastes so good, it tastes so yummy. And if you want to see how I make this, if you want to see how I make this fried rice, just keep watching, watch to the end, and let's do this together. All right, guys, I've already washed my turkey. I'm using turkey for this recipe. I went ahead and had onions, curry powder, thyme, salt, no seasoning, bay leaf, and a fresh thyme also. Then I added some blended habanero pepper. I just add everything together and mix it very well. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to allow it to cook with its own juice for about 5 to 6 minutes. I cover it and allow it to cook on its own juice for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then look at it, guys. It's made amazing already. Okay, and also I had us stir the anise to my seasoning. Okay, I had added star the anise to this seasoning. Now I'm just going to stir it up together, stir them together. Then I'll go ahead and add in my water. Okay, I will allow I had about 1 cup, 1 to 2 cup of water, because we need the water of this of this of the meat so that we can use it to cook our rice. Okay, after the turkey is ready, I'll go ahead and fry my turkey. Guys, be careful when you are frying it, because this oil not dey play. Oh, say this oil not dey gree for anybody. Look at it, it was just like splatly all over the plate. I have to be careful. Fry your turkey till they are golden brown, and when they are golden brown, just take it out. Okay, then you go ahead and fry the rest of your turkey. Okay, you can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use any protein of your choice for your fried rice. Okay, I went ahead and fried the rest of the turkey. As you can see, look at the color, it's so poppy, it's so poppy, looking good. Just even though you can just eat this turkey with a good soft drink and enjoy yourself. Okay, enjoy yourself. Okay, now the turkey are ready. Then I'll go ahead and use my the turkey broth. Okay, I added the turkey pot broth to another pot. Now I'm adding thyme, curry seasoning, no seasoning, and salt to the broth. Okay, I added a little bit of water to it. Okay, then I will cover it up. I will stir it together. Okay, I'll stir it together and I will bring it to a boil before I will go ahead and add in my rice. I can cover it up. I like to boil for about a minute. Now as the water is boiling, I'll go ahead off camera. I've already washed my rice, and I will be using jasmine rice for this fried rice. Okay, you can use uh, any type of rice, but today fried rice we are using jasmine rice. I washed my jasmine rice with hot water. I washed it thoroughly with hot water. Now I'm just adding it to it. Then I added all my seasoning earlier. Then I cover it, allow the rice to be cooked. Okay, while the rice is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my vegetable. Okay, I will be using shrimps for my fried rice. Okay, you can use gizzard, you can use liver, it all depends on what you have. Before then, I've already seasoned my shrimp with no seasoning for about 1 hour. Okay, I season the shrimp. Now I'll just go ahead and fry my shrimp till they are ready. Okay, you can use a gizzard, you can use liver, it all depends on what you want to use for your fried rice. But today I'm using shrimp for my fried rice. I go ahead and fry that till they are 90% ready. As you can see, then I'll just flip it, turn it, stir it together, make sure they cook very well. Okay, you want your shrimp to be cooked properly. Okay, mind you, as I said, I've already seasoned this shrimp. Okay, with no seasoning. Okay, now I'm just going to add in my diced habanero pepper and onions. Okay, guys, that habanero pepper is so hot, it's so spicy, guys. Say it together. Mix it very well before I go ahead and add in my mixed vegetable. I'm using frozen vegetable for this fried rice. You can go ahead and use a what is it called, fresh vegetable. It all this depends on you, but today I'm using frozen one because I want to be stress free. I pour in my I'm using 3 bags of frozen vegetable. Then I'll stir everything together, mix very well. Okay, mix it very well. Then after mixing it, I'll go ahead and add in my seasoning. I went ahead and add in my um seasoning. I'm adding in thyme. Is 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then I'll add in curry powder. As you can see, guys, curry powder. Then I'll add in my nut seasoning. Okay, I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of nut seasoning. Then I'll go ahead and sprinkle some salt to it. Then I'll give it a quick mix everything together. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook till the uh mixed vegetable are ready. Mind you, our rice is cooking on the other side of the stove. Okay, then I'll mix it together, I'll cover it, allow my vegetable to be cooking. Okay, set it together, cover it, allow it to cook till they are ready. Now we are just going to check on the rice. Okay, now I'm just going to open it and see. Look at the rice is done. Okay, you don't want your rice to be too done. Okay, as you can see, look at, that's exactly how you want your rice. Okay, the rice is ready. Then I'll go ahead also and check on my mixed vegetable. Okay, now look at the vegetable is ready also. Okay, at this point the whole kitchen is smelling good, it's smelling amazing, smelling delicious. If you know, you know. At this point, I just want to say thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the Lord and the support. May God bless every one of you. If you are new, please don't forget to like and follow, and also subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and make sure to share because sharing is caring. At this point, our mixed vegetable is ready. The next step is now for us to combine everything together. I went ahead and had in another pot, adding my already cooked mixed vegetable. Then adding the rice, and the rest is history. Just mix it together, just stir it together, stir fry it together, stir fry it together. Look at the color, guys. The color is giving, the color is giving what it's supposed to be giving. When I say this rice was so good, it was so delicious. Like whenever I cook fried rice, it doesn't even last. Like especially when you cook it on a Sunday evening for dinner, man. The children, they love fried rice. I love fried rice also. Then I'll go ahead and just continue the same process. Fry everything together, the fried rice and the mixed vegetable, fry them together till they are ready. Like, man, this rice was so good, guys. It was so delicious, especially when you fry it with your coconut oil, guys. I use coconut oil for this recipe. It take the fried rice to another level when you use coconut oil for your fried rice. Try it, guys. If you haven't tried, just try and use coconut oil for your fried rice. Like seriously, look at, guys, look at our plates, look at our fried rice is ready, guys. Thank you for watching. And I also fry fish, guys. I fry the fish off camera. I did show it to you guys when I fry the fish. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you do like this video, please give the video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.